Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an essential tool for anyone who loves DIY projects or painting. We're talking about the 3M Performance Paint Project Respirator. A respirator designed to provide the best protection when working with spray paint. Let's dive right in. The 3M Performance Paint Project Respirator is more than just your average mask. It's a professional-grade tool designed to keep you safe while working with paint and other chemicals. Here are some of its key features. This respirator comes with a P95 filter that can filter out at least 95% of solids, liquid aerosols, and certain organic vapors. It's a top-notch choice for protection. It's important to note that this respirator is designed for workplace and occupational use, making it perfect for professionals who need reliable protection. When dealing with oil aerosols, you'll be glad to have the oil-proof P-Series particulate filter. Just make sure to follow the manufacturer's time-use restrictions. Say goodbye to discomfort. The soft thermoplastic face seal ensures an excellent and comfortable fit for long hours of work. This respirator is not only effective but also reusable, which means it's a cost-effective investment in your safety. 3M is known for its quality, and this respirator is no exception. It's built to last and withstand the demands of your projects. There you have it, folks. The 3M Performance Paint Project Respirator is a top-quality choice for your safety when working with spray paint and other chemicals. Its NIOSH approval, comfortable design, and durability make it the best spray paint respirator on the market. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews. And remember, safety should always come first when working on your DIY projects. Until next time, stay safe and keep creating.